Are you struggling to drink enough water each day? What if I told you there's a way to make staying hydrated fun, easy, and absolutely delicious? Stick around, because in this video, I'm sharing the best hydration hacks that will not only quench your thirst, but also spice up your daily routine. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks for a healthier, happier you. Today, we're diving into the world of hydration, a simple yet often overlooked key to maintaining your energy, focus, and overall well-being. But let's be honest, drinking plain water can sometimes feel like a chore, right? That's why I've got some creative and exciting ways to make sure you get enough water every day without even thinking about it. First up, let's talk about flavor. If plain water just isn't cutting it for you, why not infuse it with some delicious, natural flavors? Here are some of my favorites. Citrus Splash. Simply add slices of lemon, lime, or orange to your water for a zesty kick. Berry Delight. Toss in some strawberries, raspberries, or blueberries for a sweet, antioxidant-packed drink. Herbal Infusion. Fresh mint or basil can transform your water into a refreshing, spa-like experience. Cucumber Cooler. Add cucumber slices for a crisp and cooling taste. Tropical Twist. How about some pineapple or watermelon chunks to take your taste buds on a vacation? Not only do these flavors make water more enjoyable, but they also add a burst of vitamins and nutrients. We all lead busy lives, and it's easy to forget to hydrate. But with a few clever reminders, you'll be sipping water throughout the day without even realizing it. Phone alarms. Set hourly reminders on your phone to take a sip. It's simple but effective. Hydration apps. Try apps like Plant Nanny or Hydro Coach to track your water intake and send you gentle nudges when it's time to hydrate. Sticky notes. Place these little reminders around your home or office. They'll keep you on track all day long. Next, let's make hydration fun and exciting with some cool accessories and DIY hacks. Fun water bottles. Choose a water bottle that makes you smile, maybe one with a fun design or a motivational quote. There are even bottles with time markers to help you pace your drinking throughout the day. Flavored ice cubes. Here's a hack you'll love. Flavored ice cubes. Freeze fruit pieces like berries, kiwi, or even herbs like mint in your ice trays. As they melt, they'll add a subtle, refreshing flavor to your water. Creating a hydration habit is all about consistency. Here's how to make drinking water a natural part of your daily routine. Morning hydration. Start your day with a big glass of water. It's a great way to wake up your body and kickstart your metabolism. Pre-meal water. Drink a glass before each meal. This not only helps with hydration, but can also aid digestion. Bedtime sip. End your day with a small glass of water to keep hydrated overnight. Now, here's a fun twist. What if I told you that you could eat your water? That's right. Many fruits and vegetables are loaded with water and can help keep you hydrated. Water-rich fruits. Watermelon, strawberries, and oranges are all over 85% water, perfect for a refreshing snack. Hydrating veggies. Cucumbers, celery, and lettuce are also great options. These not only hydrate, but are packed with vitamins and fiber. Incorporating these into your diet means you're getting hydration from more than just your water bottle. Fun fact, did you know that water makes up about 60% of the human body? That's why it's so vital to keep those levels up. Even mild dehydration can affect your mood, energy, and overall health. So there you have it. Hydration doesn't have to be boring. From infused water to flavored ice cubes, setting reminders, and eating your water, these simple hacks can make a huge difference in how you feel every day. Remember, staying hydrated is key to your health and well-being, so why not make it fun? Try out these tips and let us know in the comments how you stay hydrated. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found these tips helpful, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome health and wellness tips. Stay hydrated, stay healthy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Health Smart Central, your go-to source for health tips, wellness advice, and more.